Looking for a radar detector that truly covers all bases? The Whistler County Route 85 offers 360 degrees of complete perimeter protection, detecting signals from the front, sides, and rear. It comes ready to install with a 12 volts power cord and windshield bracket kit, so you're set to go right out of the box. What makes the County Route 85 stand out is its ability to detect every major radar band, including X-band, K-band, superwide Ka-band, and laser. It even identifies tricky laser modes like Laser Atlanta Stealth, Laser Alley, and LTI TrueSpeed S. This means you get early warnings against all the latest speed detection technologies on the road. One feature drivers appreciate is Pop Mode, which picks up on quick bursts of radar that other detectors might miss. Plus, real voice alerts and a clear digital icon display keep you informed without distraction. The Traffic Flow Signal Rejection, TFSR, is a game changer, helping eliminate false alerts from radar-based traffic monitoring systems, so you only get notified when it really matters. A top reviewer from the United States put the County Route 85 head-to-head with the Whistler Pro 78C, a respected model in the market. The result? The County Route 85 blew it out of the water. Both devices were tested under identical settings, but the County Route 85 caught every new laser gun, outperforming the Pro 78C on real roads in Atlanta. The reviewer highlighted that while both detectors are quiet with TFSR enabled, a must-have feature in busy cities like Atlanta, the County Route 85 offers additional filter settings for even finer control over false alerts. This makes it ideal for drivers who want precision without constant interruptions. Installation is straightforward, with the County Route 85 hardwired and mounted just under the tint strip near the rearview mirror. This setup proved effective in testing, detecting threats reliably while minimizing false alarms, even in tricky spots like parking lots known for false K-band signals. If you're tired of missing laser alerts or dealing with constant false warnings, the Whistler County Route 85 is worth a look. It's designed to keep you safer and more aware on the road, giving you confidence behind the wheel no matter where you drive. Ready to upgrade your radar detection? The Whistler County Route 85 combines comprehensive coverage, advanced detection features, and user-friendly design. Try it when you're ready to experience smarter, more reliable protection on every drive.